Hello teachers, if you want to see what the content looks like on Compass, feel free to log in with my username and password and go ahead and go over to the Content tab. From the Content tab, you can click Curriculum Index. From there, you can choose any of these tabs, but I would suggest NWEA because it'll be familiar to you with the map testing. From here, you can see different map testing titles, and you can click on any one of those. I chose math for this video, but let's say I wanted to see math. I wanted to see math for 2nd through 5th grade. I can see all the RIT ranges. And let's say I wanted some help in geometry, but I have a student that's at a high level and I have no idea what they're doing. So I'm going to click at that RIT range that the student is working on, and any of these blue links are a link, and you can click on them and actually see the activity. If I clicked on the quiz, I would actually see the quiz and the answers. But I could also see the videos for the instruction and practice. You do not have to have a student account. You can just do this anytime to see what the students would see. The noises in the background are just the Rubik's Cube practicing.
Angles in their work. Some modern art is very geometric. Some sculptors also use angles in their three-dimensional construction.
So you can go through and watch the instruction. They have practice component of it, and then they will have another independent practice for the same type lesson. Angle measure. Again, I'm just loading the beginning of them so you can kind of see.
Here's a sample problem. What is the measure of angle ABC?
So if you wanted to look at language arts, you can click on language arts and it would be a very similar thing. You can click on it, click on the blue link, and then you could also click on any of the activities in here. Yay, it's me.
Four laps. If you guys are done, you can check the ones around the table, but then put your hands down. Both hands have to be on the table when you're done.
So obviously I got it wrong and then it corrects it there. There are some activities that your students will be asked under the writing section where they will actually be asked to write a paragraph and type it on Compass, and then you as a teacher have to go in and edit and grade it. So I just want you to be aware of that as well.